As you can see here on the screen, this is a platform that gets you paid just for working. It says Litecoin, get paid to work. This platform is available on the Google Play Store and also available on the Apple stores. It says turn daily working into a mining section. So this is says you collect Litecoin with every GPS confirm step. The more step you take, the more you earn. So this is a platform that gets you paid just for working, and you can exchange your movement or your rewards in which you have gathered on this platform. You can exchange it for gift card, sporting goods, and more. They are always available to add new items, so you should always check the platform for latest update. So as you can say it's a platform that's available to that helps you earn money for life, and you can also become their ambassador. So like I said, it's available on the Google Play Store and also available on the Apple Store, that's for iOS users. So for you to know more about this platform, you can simply scroll down and you click on their about, or you can also click on their contact for you to be able to contact them to know more on how this platform is. So this is the first platform known as Litecoin. You don't need to stress yourself. All what you just have to do is log into this platform, click on sign up, click on the sign up on this platform, and for every step you take to church, for every step you take to school, to your marketplace, from your room to the bathroom to the kitchen, you get paid just for working. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Blasi Ejikwa. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And like I've said in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 legit platforms in which you can make passive income up to $100 per day. And the first one I've shown to you on the list here is known as Litecoin, and it's a platform that gets you paid just for working. So now let's move on to the second platform on the list. The second platform on the list is known as Money SMS. As you can see here, Money SMS is the name of the second platform. Go to any browser of your choice, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and dial in this keyword known as moneysmsapp.com. This Money SMS app, this is a free Android app that enables you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and their customers. Now, one thing about this platform is that you don't even need to read this SMS. Immediately the SMS enters your phone, what you just have to do is you can decide to delete it. But the main thing is that when you send over this platform, SMS will be sent to you, and what you just have to do is for you to be receiving this SMS. It's not necessary whether you read it or not. So you can also decide to download the APK app, or you can also decide to continue on their website. You can see here they have a 1179 review on Trustpilot with a 4.6 star rating. Also on Trustpilot. So why are you getting paid? A lot of telecom service SMS provider mobile network operators need to send SMS text message to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. So as you can see, they do not reach your private messages. So that is just one thing about this app. Now, if you are asking also whether they are legit or scam, as you can see, they say that they take all the necessary measures, and they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirement. So this platform is 100% legit as of now. As of the time you are watching this video, this platform known as Money SMS is legit as of now. And one thing about this platform is that it works on your Android device. That says you need only to install our app on your mobile phone, and you get paid just for receiving these SMSs. And one thing again is that you don't even need to make up to $100 for you to be able to start making money on this platform. All what you just have to do is to sign up on this platform. When you sign up, download their mobile app, and you get paid from 0.1 euro to 0.2 euro when you receive a text message, and you can withdraw your balance the moment it is able to hit 2 euro, as you can see here on the screen. You can also decide to watch this 1 minute video on how you can also go about it directly from the platform. So go and check it out, known as moneysmsapp.com. So now let's move on to the next platform on the list. So the next platform on the list is known as telefia.io. telefia.io. This is a platform that get you paid for your opinions and data. Now, if you are here for surveys, you can decide to give in your surveys, or you can also decide to give them your share your data with them. As you can see here, this platform, as you can see, this amount of money that has been paid to people. So one thing about this platform, that this platform is legit and it gets you paid for sharing your data and also for sharing your opinion on them with them. And you can also decide to refer your friends for additional reward. You can decide to take surveys, redeem your cash, and that is just how it is. So how do you get started on Telefia? To get started on Telefia is that you just have to log into this platform. You give them access to use your data from your phone setting, and you'll be able to start making money. So as you can see, it says download the app. Let me show you from the beginning. It says download and install the app on Google Play Store or App Store. The second step is that this is the second step. It says you register and verify your account. To register and verify your account, you need your title, your email, your email and your date of birth and your password, and you agree. Then the third step is that you have to turn on your permission. You have to give them permission for them to be able to get your data directly from your phone setting. And the last step there is that you start making money. Immediately you give them permission to access your phone data, you will start earning cash, and you can decide to withdraw your money, and you can also decide to also participate in surveys if you want to make extra money from this platform. Like I said, it's available on the Google Play Store and it's also available on the App Store. So go and check them out. Make sure you click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need guides, don't forget to also comment as we head on now to the fourth platform on the list. So the fourth platform on the list is known as Mobile Expression. So Mobile Expression is an elite market research community dedicated to providing the mobile internet, that is to improve the mobile internet. So mobile users are invited to join the panel and help shape the future of internet you hold in the palm of your hand. So what you join one thing about this platform is that when you're invited to join this platform, you just have to come and share opinion. These opinions will be useful on how the internet can be used, and how to shape the future of the internet. So this is simply giving in your surveys to help this platform grow, and these data will be sent to advertisers and to people, let me just say advertisers, yes, and to programmers or social media platforms like Facebook and the rest when you give in your opinion. So what you just have to do is that you click on join now. As you can say, click on the join now. You will be able to get a free account, and you'll be able to also earn money on this platform when you give your survey. So now let's head on to the last platform on the list. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button once again, so that we'll continue dropping videos like this to feel really motivated to drop videos like this. So let's move on to the last platform on the list. So the last platform on the list is known as Honeygain. So Honeygain is a platform where you earn passive income, and you'll be able to earn 2 times the amount of money someone is earning with mobile phone if you are using it on desktop. It says earn with Honeygain by simply sharing your data. What you just have to do is simply install the app, let it run, and you'll be able to earn passive income. So you just go to browser, you just go Chrome, and then in this keyword Honeygain, and you start making money. If you are using a desktop, you earn 2 times or whatever someone that is using a mobile phone will be able to earn. So this is why choose Honeygain. Honeygain offers many benefits to help you make money effortlessly, and you can decide to withdraw your money through cash or crypto payouts. As you can see on the screen, there's flexible sharing. You can decide when you want to continue. You can also decide when to pause your data, because at this point in time, you are the one in charge. You can decide to continue and you can decide to stop, and there's safety in every step. That means your privacy is secured, and there's a 24/7 support also on this platform. So you can also get to know more about them from the FAQs, and when you scroll down, you see this get started, and you get started on this platform and you start making money. If you love this video, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button. Check it out, drop in your comment so that I will know where you are watching from, and I also know any problem you have to access these platforms.